morning, everyone. I am Jezebel M. Sarna, and I am grade 12 Alangan, student of Mapaya National High School. Now, mag-share ako ng aking mga natutunan about ICT or Information Communication Technology. ICT can impact student learning when teachers are digitally literate and understand how to integrate into the curriculum. School use diverse set of ICT tools to communicate, create, disseminate, store, and manage information. In some contexts, ICT has also become integral to the teaching-learning interaction through such approaches as replacing chalkboards with interactive digital whiteboards, using students' own smartphones or other device for learning during class time, and the flipped classroom model where students watch lectures at home on the computer and use classroom time or more interactive exercise. When teachers are digitally literate and trained to use ICT, these approaches can lead to higher order thinking skills, provide creative and individualized options for students to experience their understandings, and leave students better prepared to deal with ongoing technical change in society and the workplace. ICT issues planners must consider include considering the total cost-benefit equation, supplying and maintaining the requisite infrastructure, and ensuring investments are matched with teacher support and other policies aimed at effective ICT use. What is ICT and its importance in education? ICT or Information and Communication Technology broadly refers to tools and services that handle and communicate.
Thank you for watching.